Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa arutwo cukuru-ini uyu Towet Ngetich, arutwo aya ni maraugire ciiko cia unyitani wa kiahinya kuri arutwo airitu ni ciongererekete na gikiro kinene na andu aria mari na uigiririki wa kugitira arutwo nio maramanya maria.
The student was out, and so when the soldier went there, I think the soldier wanted to report the student, but he forced his student to succumb to his desire, so that the student cannot be reported. And so we feel like the soldier took the advantage of his position, like using your position to undermine someone.
Towet ni arataririe makiria kiria kirerikanagia cungiririe murangiri ucio kuhahama murutwo ucio na akauria rugamiriri a cukuru uyu gutacokirie murangiri ucio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho kwoguo moyo watho moko-ini mao.
Ule mtu wa kulinda nyama ndiye anakula nyama. In a sense that a security guard finds a way in a hostel of ladies and violating the rights of that lady. It is very sad.
Nake mwandiki wa ngwataniro ya arutwo cukuru-ini uyu niwe Remi Mwalo ni oritie ministry ya githomo na ugitiri wa thiini hamwe na wathani wa cukuru uyu kunyitarira hamwe niguo kugacirithia ugitiri wa arutwo cukuru-ini uyu.
We are not happy as students. We condemn it. More University, we want to believe that we need to be on the right page. Yes. And we want to believe we deserve security for our own and security for the entire university and the community.
Mwenini wake OCPD wa Eldoret ya muhuro Abduba Wako ni ekirite mukonde uhoro uyu na kuga murangiri ucio ni gukinywo igoti-ini na thitango cia unyitani wa kiahinya. Mwikwiru uyu ahingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kisses kuri riu nake murutwo ucio arathi na mbere kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini imwe Eldoret. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni ngetwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.